High in the Himalayas, an unstable mass of ice and rock suddenly broke away. This was the first step in a devastating chain reaction.
The collapsing ice and rocks slammed into the river, rapidly displacing water and filling the channel with enormous amounts of debris.
The debris may have temporarily blocked the river, creating a natural dam. Water then accumulated behind it, building enormous pressure. Then the temporary barrier failed. A sudden surge of water, mud, ice, and boulders rushed downstream with tremendous destructive force.
The surge then raced downstream through the Botekoshi and Trishuli river systems, overwhelming riverbanks and infrastructure in its path.
That is how a high-altitude ice rock collapse may have triggered Nepal's deadly flash flood. The exact sequence is still being investigated.